If you're building in the robotics space right now, the clock for protecting your innovation isn't just ticking, it's literally sprinting. Recent data shows that robotics patent filings are up in just the last 2 years. There's been a massive surge, and that tells us one thing. The wait and see era is over. Inventors who wait until they are launch ready in the robotics space are getting left behind by competitors who understand how the legal system actually works. I'm a patent attorney, and I just got back from the floor at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. It was great. I had a lot of fun, but let me tell you, what's coming in robotics is wild. The tech I saw there, everything from haptic remote surgery tools to wearable exoskeletons, it's no longer science fiction. It is a commercially viable reality. My entire law practice is based on helping independent inventors and startups protect these kinds of innovations before they hit the mainstream. As a solo patent attorney, I work directly with inventors to build layered patent strategies that cover mechanical designs, software algorithms, and user interfaces. In this video, I'm breaking down the 2 biggest tech spotlights from the show floor at CES, and I'm going to explain the first-to-file reality that every startup needs to understand. If you wait until your product is perfect to seek protection, you might find that a competitor has already claimed your territory. One of the biggest shifts I saw this year was in haptic robotics for remote operations. We're talking about high precision systems for things like hazardous waste handling or remote surgery, where the operator actually feels what the robot feels. Now this completely changes the patent landscape. We aren't just patenting robotic arms anymore. No, we're protecting the human-machine interface. When I look at a haptic system, I see multiple layers of IP. Everything from the mechanical linkage, the feedback software, the specific UX design, and even the proprietary training data used to refine those movements. If you're only protecting the metal, you're leaving your most valuable assets exposed. CES also showcased the wearable robotics like exoskeleton legs. I actually got a chance to try these on, and I was amazed at how much easier it was to walk. I can easily see these significantly increasing the distance people can walk and the elevations that they can climb. And the possibilities in the medical field have to be encouraging for anyone with a physical disability. These wearable robotics are moving rapidly from military prototypes into industrial and medical reality. Imagine a warehouse worker who can lift 100 pounds just with the effort of maybe what they would have used to lift 10 pounds. Or a patient who's been restricted to a wheelchair from a tragic accident, now regaining their independent mobility. I mean, it's just unbelievable what's coming. When I talk about patents, the strategy here has to be layered. We have to look at the sensors, the control algorithms, the mechanical structure, and even the method of control. And because these technologies are now commercially viable and visible on the trade show floors, like at CES, they are officially prior art the moment that they're disclosed. If you've seen it at a booth, someone has likely already filed a patent for it. And if they haven't, it's still a public disclosure that could bar you from applying for your own patent in the space. The key insight I want you to take away is this. These innovations are not futuristic anymore. And in our first-to-file patent system, it doesn't matter who had the idea first in their garage or laboratory. It only matters who gets to the patent office first. If you're building robotics tech that feels like science fiction, but it's sitting on your workbench right now, now is the time to get it protected. You don't need your own corporate legal department to compete. You just need a smart strategy. If you want to see if your tech is patentable, schedule a call or contact me through my website. Let's talk one-on-one about how to secure your lead in this exciting new space.